Welcome to this presentation on vehicle fleet management covering a company car order to disposal process. Our team is composed of Bryant Rodriguez, Damaris Quinones, and Ijaneishka. The organization we're working with focuses on the sale and distribution of vehicles and parts, operating as a manufacturer affiliate. Its vision is create mobility for all, and its mission is producing happiness for all. It serves both direct customers, like dealerships, and indirect end users. As a local legal entity of a global vehicle brand, it offers a diversified product portfolio to meet various customer needs and segments. Aside from the core business, the local manufacturer affiliate office manages the local company's vehicle fleet, including pool and company cars. Pool vehicles support areas such as marketing, dealership training, and administrative areas. For this presentation, we will focus specifically on the process of team member company cars order to disposal. The process starts with an email reminder to business units to place their vehicle orders. The requester downloads the vehicle order form, checks the ineligible vehicle list, and fills out a form, including accessories requests. After getting HR approval, the form is sent to the vehicle services team for review. Once confirmed, the order is processed through the internal system and sent to the demand and supply team before the 50th of the month for vehicle build and shipment. When the vehicle is near arrival, the vehicle services team is notified. The accessories order form is completed and accessories are requested through the APS system. After the vehicle arrives at the vehicle processing center, it's prepped and inspected. If no damage is found, it is registered. The agreement is signed and the vehicle is assigned to the team member. If a damage is found, a claim is submitted, repairs are made, and the vehicle then gets assigned. After 7 months use, the requester is reminded to start a new order. At 12 months, the current vehicle is turned in and inspected. If the unit is in good condition, it's marked as available for sale in the system. The sales price is requested. The vehicle is offered for sale, and once the buyer confirms, financing documents are collected. Finally, the vehicle is delivered to the buyer and the sale is registered in the finance system. This epoch diagram summarizes the key elements of the process. Suppliers include the production plant, vessel carrier, and processing center, as well as others. Inputs range from the vehicle order to company car policies, forms, sales price, and others. The process covers all steps, from vehicle request to disposal. Outputs include fully equipped assigned vehicles or those properly disposed of. Customer range from the requester to used vehicle buyers and internal teams. The customers in this process fall into four key groups. First, the vehicle requester, who is a team member who receives a company car as a benefit. Next, the used vehicle buyer, which can be internal or external parties, employees, family members, dealers, or auction buyers. The company also serves management, who defines the policy and oversees compliance, ensuring alignment with parent company. And finally, the vehicle services outsource team, who are responsible for executing the process and coordinating across multiple inputs and suppliers. Each customer has different product service expectations. For the vehicle requester, the top concerns are timeliness and quality, or receiving a vehicle on time and meeting all specs. Used vehicle buyers focus on price and quality, expecting a damage-free vehicle at a fair price. Management seeks policy compliance and cost effectiveness, aiming for no audit issues, cost control, and maximizing resale value. Vehicle services outsource teams need accuracy, timeliness, and quality to avoid errors, rework, and extra costs while ensuring smooth handles.
Here, we can visualize all of the people involved in the process, from the initiation and approval, processing and preparation, logistic delivery, and sales and disposal. When it comes to the tools and equipment, the preparation and inspection tools are for pre-delivery quality checks and the fleet vehicles managed from acquisition to disposal. Systems and software use, request and communication, emails, Microsoft Forms. For order management, My Toolbox Excel tracking Tom's system. Fleet assignment and accessories, APS and MVS systems. Disposal and financial tracking, asset register and finance system. Now let's talk about the waste identifying the process. For overproduction, sending forms to ineligible employees. To fix that, we propose limit access to eligible staff only. For waiting, delay from email-based approvals. To fix that, we propose implementing automatic workflows. For inappropriate processing, manual forms and emails. To fix that, we propose requests into HR system. For unnecessary motion, excessive back and forth across department. To fix that, we propose to consolidate into streamlined workflow. Applying the 5S to streamline the process. For sort, to restrict order from the authorized users only. Set in order, introduce a structured data approval workflow. To standardize, integrate vehicle requests into a central employee system. For sustain, use audits and feedback cycles to ensure process consistency. In this case, we can omit Shine since it's less applicable to a DIET and admin process.
Failures and quality issues. In the current fleet management process, several recurring failures impact quality and efficiency. One major issue is incomplete or delayed submission of the vehicle order form, which causes rework and delays in ordering and delivery. Additionally, requests for non-standard accessories often lack clarity, leading to back and forth communication and order errors. These quality issues result in material waste, longer cycle times, and in some cases, customer complaints, especially when delivery expectations are not met. Variability. Variability is another critical factor in this process. We experience a rapid variability when vehicle requests are submitted at inconsistent times, disrupting planning and scheduling. There's also request variability due to differences in vehicle specification and accessory demands, which complicates standardizations. This inconsistency challenges the ability to maintain efficiency across the fleet management cycle. Operation metrics. To better track and improve the process, we monitor several key performance indicators. For example, we track the number of months a vehicle is in use. Replacements begin at 7 months and sales are initiated at 12 months. Another KPI is the delivery time of sold vehicles, which must be under 14 days after buyer confirmation. We also measure the percentage of vehicles available for sale right at the 12-month mark. These metrics help ensure timely replacements, reduce downtime, and optimize fleet turnover.
To conclude, this process manages the full life cycle of company vehicles, from order placement to final sale or disposal. We've detailed each step, initiating the request, vehicle arrival and inspection, assignment to team members, and ultimately preparing the unit for resale. The process involves coordination between multiple internal teams like HR, finance, and vehicle services, and external partners such as carriers and the vehicle processing center. We also reviewed the distinct needs of each customer group, from timely delivery for requesters to cost effective disposal for management. By applying tools like CPOC and identifying lean waste, we can improve efficiency and quality across this complex workflow. Thank you for your attention.